I found the best chocolate mousse recipe by accident at 2 o'clock in the morning. I am, as you can see, my little baby sleeping here. I am 3 weeks postpartum, and at 2 a.m. last week, in between feedings, I was dying for something sweet, and there was like nothing in the house. I hadn't made anything. So I threw 3 or 4 items together, and it turned out to be the best chocolate mousse that I've ever made. And it's super healthy, and it actually has superfoods in it. So I'm going to show you how to make it. I can do this one-handed when I was carrying my baby, and now I'm making it with my baby here. So it's so easy, probably items that you already have in your kitchen. All right, so first things first, have some chia seed pudding. So chia seed pudding is so easy. I put about 2 heaping tablespoons of chia seeds with some almond milk, and I let it sit overnight. So this is the only step that you need to prep a little bit ahead of time or think ahead. If not, you can let this sit for about 4 hours and it should be fine. So throw that in a blender cup with about a little more than half of an avocado and a tablespoon or 2 of cocoa powder. And it's a completely preference if you want it more chocolatey or a little bit less. And then a sweetener of your choice. So I'm using organic agave. You can use anything. You can use honey. I just wouldn't recommend using white sugar because I'm not a big fan of it. And then any milk of your choice in case you need to thin it out a little bit. And then just blend all of that together. All right, so there's my chia seed, avocado. I'm doing this one-handed. I'm gonna do a gigantic heaping spoon of chocolate because my husband loves chocolate. He's gonna be my taste tester. Throw that in there. And then agave, just gonna eyeball it, bam, that's it, and mix it up. All right, mix it up. All right, so we are done. Here's what it looks like. And now to taste test. So good. So good. It honestly has the exact same consistency. I can't talk. It has the exact same consistency as the pudding in those little pudding cups that are filled with crappy ingredients. And this is actually a combination of 2 or 3 different recipes. Avocado is a superfood, chia seeds are a superfood. So this is such a great healthy snack. This was actually inspired because I'm watching my friend's son tomorrow, so I want to have like a little dessert bar for him after school when he gets here. So I love it. Another successful recipe. I hope you enjoy. Let me know if you decide to make it. Okay, how cute are these chocolate little mousse cups in a little glass jar? And I topped it with some organic, semi-sweet chocolate chunks. So good, and I can stick them in the fridge so they'll be nice and cold and creamy for tomorrow. All right, let me know if you decide to make it. Thanks for watching.